If the roar of powerful engines and the precision of expert hands excites you, then prepare to be amazed. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. In this video, discover the incredible skills of master lumberjacks and innovative forestry equipment that transform raw wood into spectacular creations. Let's get started. In Tulare County, a difficult decision was made to cut down a giant sequoia located in the Alder Creek Grove after reports indicated that the tree was still burning from the 2020 fire. This massive tree, with a diameter of around 14 feet at its largest burls, was a towering presence in the forest, yet its ongoing combustion posed a significant risk. The hired team faced an enormous challenge, both in terms of the tree's size and the danger it presented. Over the course of 2 days, working 10 hours each day, they carefully planned and executed the felling. Using specialized equipment, they cut through the massive trunk, which was weakened by the fire, ensuring the tree could be safely brought down without causing further damage to the surrounding forest. The decision to remove such a magnificent sequoia wasn't taken lightly. Despite its size and age, the tree's continued burning posed a threat not only to the ecosystem, but also to human safety. With the sequoia still smoldering deep within, it was feared that it could reignite nearby vegetation, potentially causing another wildfire. The process of cutting down the tree was a reminder of the balance between preserving nature and ensuring the safety of the forest and its visitors.
Wow.
The Chippo 8010C wood splitter is a powerful and efficient machine designed to handle large-scale wood-splitting tasks with ease. Built for heavy-duty forestry operations, this machine is equipped with robust hydraulic systems and advanced technology, making it ideal for processing large logs quickly and safely. With its high splitting force, the Chippo 8010C can handle logs of substantial size, reducing them into manageable pieces for further processing or use as firewood. Operators appreciate the machine's ability to work continuously for long periods, thanks to its durable construction and reliable performance. It is designed to split wood efficiently, even in demanding conditions, reducing the time and effort required for large wood-splitting projects. Despite its powerful capabilities, the Chippo 8010C is engineered with safety in mind. In Lancaster, County Durham, the A.W. Jenkinson fleet is hard at work clearing land using a specialized wood chipper equipped with a hydraulic arm. The wood chipper, designed for heavy-duty tasks, makes quick work of processing large amounts of timber and debris. Its hydraulic arm adds versatility, allowing operators to efficiently feed the machine with logs and branches of various sizes, reducing manual labor. At the same time, a transport truck is seamlessly coordinating with the wood chipper, collecting the processed wood chips and hauling them away for further use or disposal. The operation runs smoothly, with both machines working in perfect sync, maximizing productivity and minimizing downtime. The efficiency of this setup is a testament to A.W. Jenkinson's expertise in forestry and land clearing, ensuring that the job is done both swiftly and safely. with minimal impact on the surrounding environment. The Halverson HWP-140 is a versatile and powerful firewood processor designed for use with skid steers, compact track loaders, and tractors. Known for its efficiency and ease of use, the HWP-140 allows operators to quickly cut and split logs into firewood with minimal manual labor. This attachment is ideal for those in the forestry and firewood industries, as it can handle logs up to 16 inches in diameter, making it suitable for processing various types of hardwood and softwood. A wood processor with a hydraulic shear and splitter is a highly efficient machine designed for processing long logs into firewood or smaller pieces of timber. The machine operates by feeding the entire log into a cylindrical chamber or tube, which guides the log through the processing stages. This setup allows for precise control and consistent processing of the log's length and diameter, making it ideal for large-scale timber operations. Once the log is inside the chamber, the hydraulic shear comes into play. Positioned at the lower section of the chamber, the shear slowly cuts through the log in a controlled manner, slicing it cleanly from the bottom up. This cutting method ensures the log is processed with minimal resistance, reducing wear on the equipment. CS27-40. Model 60 is a high-performance firewood processor designed for professional use, known for its speed, power, and reliability. It features a robust design powered by a 60-horsepower engine, making it one of the most powerful machines in the Cord King lineup. Capable of processing large volumes of firewood efficiently, the CS2740 Model 60 is ideal for commercial operations where productivity and durability are paramount. One of the standout features of this model is its cutting system, which utilizes a carbide tooth slasher saw capable of cutting logs up to 27 inches in diameter in mere seconds. In Japan, a skilled team of master woodcutters is undertaking the challenging task of felling a towering 60-meter, 196 feet, cedar tree. One of the masters, harnessed with ropes, expertly climbs the massive trunk, cutting it section by section with precision. Each cut is carefully measured, ensuring that the process is both safe and efficient. On the ground below, the rest of the team works in perfect coordination, using cranes and cables to guide the falling sections of the tree. The large logs are lowered to the ground in a controlled manner, landing exactly where planned, without causing any damage to the surrounding trees or environment. This delicate balance of traditional techniques and modern equipment demonstrates the mastery of the woodcutters, who ensure that the felling of such a magnificent tree is done with respect for both the tree itself and the natural landscape around it.
虫が。いた。危ない。拍手拍手。来ないじゃんほら。見ないじゃん。綺麗に折ったね。あ、綺麗に折ったね。
The process of cutting down eucalyptus trees using a powerful bulldozer equipped with a tree cutting head is a rapid and efficient operation. This monstrous machine, designed for heavy-duty forestry work, makes quick work of even the tallest and thickest trees. As the bulldozer moves forward, its cutting head slices through 2 trees at once with ease, thanks to its hydraulic-powered saw blades. With each pass, a row of eucalyptus trees is swiftly felled, their trunks cleanly severed at the base. The machine's immense power allows it to clear entire lines of trees in a matter of minutes, effortlessly cutting through the dense wood. The bulldozer's cutting head not only fells the trees, but also grabs and positions them, ensuring they fall precisely where intended without damaging the surrounding area. In this seamless operation, tree after tree is cut, cleared, and moved, with the bulldozer leaving behind a path of cleared land. The efficiency and sheer force of this machine make it a formidable tool in large-scale forestry projects, where speed and precision are crucial for completing the job effectively. Fendu's 80-ton JBM is a powerful wood splitter designed to handle the toughest and largest logs with ease. With a massive splitting force of 80 tons, this machine is built for heavy-duty forestry operations and is capable of processing even the densest and most challenging types of wood. Its hydraulic system generates immense pressure, allowing it to split logs of substantial diameter into smaller, manageable pieces with minimal effort. The design of the JBM 80-ton splitter ensures both efficiency and safety. Logs are placed into the splitting chamber, where the hydraulic wedge exerts pressure from above, pushing through the wood and splitting it cleanly. The machine's robust construction ensures stability during operation, while the controls allow for precise handling of each log. Whether dealing with hardwoods like oak or larger, tougher logs, the Fendu's 80 tons JBM can tackle them with ease. Ideal for commercial wood processing operations, this splitter dramatically reduces the time and labor required to prepare firewood or split timber for other uses. Its durability and power make it a valuable asset in any large-scale forestry or logging operation. Excavator mulcher is a specialized piece of land clearing equipment designed for efficient forestry management and vegetation control. This mulcher attachment is engineered to be mounted on excavators, transforming them into powerful tools for clearing brush, trees, and other dense vegetation. With its robust design and high-performance capabilities, the Denisomaf mulcher can handle various types of materials. The RZ root saw is a specialized piece of equipment designed for effectively cutting and removing tree roots. This powerful tool is particularly useful in landscaping, forestry, and land clearing operations where root systems can obstruct construction or cultivation activities. The RZ root saw features a heavy-duty blade that can penetrate tough, woody roots with ease, making it suitable for both small and large root systems. Its design often includes adjustable settings for depth and angle, allowing operators to customize the cutting process based on the specific requirements of the job. One of the key advantages of the RZ root saw is its efficiency. It can significantly reduce the time and labor involved in root removal compared to manual methods. Additionally, its robust construction ensures durability, making it a reliable choice for professionals who need to tackle challenging root systems in various environments. Overall, the RZ root saw is an essential tool for anyone involved in land management, providing a practical solution for managing roots effectively and promoting a healthier landscape.